Did you know Excel can clean up your messy data automatically? No formulas, no macros, no code. Just one click. Let me show you the hidden button sitting in Excel this whole time. Most people think Excel automation means VBA or macros, but there's actually a built-in tool called Office Scripts. You'll find it here. Automate, All Scripts, Samples. And under Sample Scripts, you'll find a bunch of ready-made automations. Let's see how powerful they really are. If you don't see it, right-click any tab, choose Customize the ribbon. On the right side, make sure Automate is ticked. Office Scripts now work in both Excel webs and desktop, as long as you're using a Microsoft 365 business account. Here is a typical export from our KR8 Pet Store system. Normally, we spend time cleaning, formatting, removing duplicates, adjusting styles, all those repetitive steps every month. Instead of fixing them manually, let's see how Excel can handle them. Grab the sample file from description or pinned comment and follow along. First, we will unhide everything to make sure no data is hiding off screen. Find the Unhide All Rows and Columns script, click into it, and we will see a short description explaining what it does. It helps decide if it fits our case. Now click Run. The hidden columns, sales representatives, and notes appear. Behind the scenes, Excel is running a mini JavaScript file. We can click the Edit mode to see exactly how it works. But we don't need to touch any of this. It's completely reusable and works on any similar dataset. Next, let's freeze the header so it stays visible when scrolling. Click cell A1 and run the freeze selection script. Done. Everything above and to the left is locked. Then we'll strip all these hyperlinks so products are clean and searchable. Run the remove hyperlink script. The blue underlines are gone and the plain text stays. Now, some of these numbers are actually stored as text. See the format sys general. The sample text to number script formats all numbers in the select table as numbers with 2 decimal places. So even the order ID, which is not ideal. Let's go old school for now. Select the price and total revenue column and set them to number format. In the next video, when we record our own script, we will make it smarter. Targets only the columns we want. Before deleting anything, let's do a quick quality check. Go to the Count Empty Rows. Click the 3 little dots, Edit Code, and run from here. In the pop-up window, select the sheet we would like the script to run. In our case, it's Sheet 1. See at the bottom, the output finds 2 empty rows we can remove. The script only reports results. It doesn't touch our data. Let's delete those 2 rows manually for now. When we move on to custom scripts, we will actually show how to incorporate highlights. Along with the same line, the highlight blank cell script actually finds and colors empty cells. Let's select the table and run it. See all the yellow highlights? These are dynamic. Once we fill in the value, the highlight disappears. Remove it and the color is back. Let's mark missing nodes as NA to clear the remaining warnings. Another issue is exports sometimes repeat the same order twice. Select everything, run the remove duplicate script. It removed the duplicated order 1001, but kept the 2 separate cells from Alex Chen, even with same order ID. So the script is smart enough to tell true records apart. Notice here, dog toy is misspelled when someone locks the data. Let's fix that. Now our data is clean. Duplicates gone, numbers fixed, everything tidy. Let's make sure it stays that way. Run the make dropdown script on the product column. It builds a drop-down list of all valid products on a new sheet and can be copied anywhere in the workbook. From now on, the team can only pick from the correct options. Rename that new tab as Product Dropdown to keep it organized. Alright, data cleanup done. Let's try a few analysis scripts. Say we want a quick per region view. Select the rows for West region as an example. Find the Make a Subtable from a selection. Run the script. Excel instantly creates a smaller table on a new tab. Rename it as West Region Cell. Great! Now let's create another one to prep for our next step. Select Date and Total Revenue. Run the same script. Notice that the script takes raw value, so we need to reapply the date format here. In this new table, let's run the make line chart script. We got a quick daily sales trend. No setup needed. Rename it as daily sales. And one final automation. Let's build a pivot table, summarizing total quantities sold by category. Select the table and run the create a new pivot table from a table script. It builds the whole structure automatically. A pivot table, a pivot chart, and a slicer to filter. It can further be filtered by region. Now that you have seen Excel's built-in scripts, what if you could teach Excel to record your own steps and repeat your exact process with one click? That's what we will do in the next video. And after that, we will show how AI can write custom scripts for us. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications.